Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be covering the topic on how you can actually install this kind of a smart bar in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So a few of the users they do have this kind of problem where they are unable to install this kind of smart bar in their mobile phones. So that's why I decided to do a video on this topic as well. So the main purpose of this smart bar is that you can actually switch between the application without any issues. As you can see, with very faster way of multitasking is possible only with this kind of smart bar. So this got added in the new Android 10 gestures in other smartphones like OnePlus 7 Pro, even in the Samsung mobile phones as well. The smart bar in the bottom, as you can see here, so which will give you this kind of quick access to switch change between the applications. So right now the only way to use this smart bar in your Redmi K20 Pro is that you need to install the system launcher. So I'm not sure why it is linked with the system launcher, but this is the only method right now it's available to use this kind of system launcher as a default launcher. You need to choose, then only you will be able to use this kind of smart bar. So if you use any other launcher, you cannot get this kind of smart bar, unfortunately. That is a biggest drawback of this thing smart bar in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And the system launcher can be installed only in few variants, not in the Indian variant. I think only in the global variant and Chinese variant. Only few variants they are actually supported, and also few APK versions only are supported in the Indian variant. So you need to find for that exact APK model. So where I already uploaded in the Telegram group, so try to check in my Telegram group regarding the how to install this smart bar here. So I uploaded the APK, so let me know whether that APK is working or not. So before I thought this smart bar only possible in the MIUI 12 update, so that's why I did not test in other smartphones. But recently when I got a doubt to test in the MIUI 11 version as well. So this is a Mi Note 10 Lite which is running the MIUI 11. As you can see right now, MIUI 11, and even I did try to install a system launcher in this mobile phone and it did work perfectly without any problem. As you can see right now, the smart bar is functioning properly in the MIUI 11 smartphones as well. So only thing I did is I need to install the system launcher and select the system launcher as a default launcher. So this is one thing only I did. So before I did not the system launcher APK did not work properly, so I did search for the exact APK which is working. So that's why I did upload the same APK in the Telegram group, so which will be easy for you on. So not only this usage is there with a smart bar, there is also another usage, which is that accessing the notification panel from the right side and notifications from the left side, as you can see. So which is not possible if you use any other launcher. So if you use any other third-party launcher, POCO launcher or any other Nova launcher, so you cannot get a notification bar from one side and notifications from other side. As you can see here, you need to swipe from the top to access the control center every time. But right now with the system launcher, you get this kind of smart bar, and bonus point is that you do get this kind of option. So this is another thing. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to join in the Telegram group and to download this APK. So let's see whether that APK is working for you or not. This APK may not be working for few users. So definitely do comment below what are your thoughts. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.